Hi, welcome to Selenium Automation Demo on Keyword-Driven Framework using TestNG by Thought Frameworks. Let's start the session. Today's contents of session are Introduction to Framework, Features, Components, Sample Scenarios Automated, Execution in different browsers, and Reports of Execution. Introduction. Keyword-Driven Automation Framework is a hybrid automation framework which is a combination of data-driven and keyword-driven framework. Data-driven in the sense we are executing the scripts based on the number of rows of data given in the test data file. Hence, it's a data-driven framework. And keyword-driven in the sense that we are driving test cases with the help of keywords returned to perform on geo objects. Hence, it's a keyword-driven framework. Features of keyword-driven automation framework are as follows. The first feature is data files. We have option for Excel and XML. Second is reporting. We have list of reports that will be generated after the test script execution. The first one is TestNG report, which is a default report that will be generated when we run the scripts, and JUnit report is an optional report. XSLT report is used to get the results in a graphical format, and customized report is a user-defined report which shows the execution status in a tabular format, and automation results in real time is a dashboard which shows the execution status at any point of time during execution. The next feature is data fetching functions. We have XLS reader and XML reader to fetch the data from Excel and XML. And platform support is for Windows as well as for Linux. And the next feature is multiple browsers. We have option to run on multiple browsers as well as multiple versions of the same browser. Next is components. These are building blocks of keyword-driven framework. The first component is Selenium WebDriver. It's an open source web-based automation testing tool. It supports most of the programming languages and is platform independent. It's a freeware software testing tool which is mostly used for regression testing of web as well as mobile applications. It supports most of the latest browsers. The next component is TestNG. It's a testing framework which is inspired by JUnit and NUnit, which has most of the innovative functionalities like dependency testing, parallel execution, XML configuration, etc., which has made the testing very powerful and easier. The next component is Ant. It's by Apache. It's a general purpose build tool which is used for compiling, execution, and generating reports from command prompt. And the last component is XSLT. It is used for an XML transformation on a file or a group of files. It is mainly used for generating graphical reports. Let's see automation run on a sample website considering the following scenarios. Scenario 1. Logging to Tumblr website with valid credentials. Navigate to dashboard or homepage. Click on text link. Enter the title and post it and verify the same in the customized block and log out of the application. The second scenario is navigate to the Tumblr website with valid credentials. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the customized link. Add few of the attributes like title, add appearance options, description, and save it. And validate the same on the customized block created. Navigate back to dashboard and log out of the application. Let's see the execution in different browsers. We can execute the scripts in two ways, either using Eclipse IDE or using Ant. We have used Ant along with the different sets of targets for executing the scripts. I'll be executing the scripts in two browsers. One is Firefox, another one is Chrome. So let's see the execution in Chrome browser. I'll be using few of the targets here along with few of the attributes that will be sent during the execution. The first one is the browser name. I'm using the browser name as Chrome. Browser path, default, in the sense I'll be executing on the default Chrome browser. Next is environment name. That is, I'll be using the environment name as stage. Build number, test cycle ID, and grid run is equal to n, in the sense that we are not running the scripts on grid. Compile it, run, and generate the XSLT report. Execution is complete on the Chrome browser. Let's see the execution on Firefox browser. With the same attributes like browser path is default, executing on default Firefox browser. And next is stage, build number and test cycle ID are same, and we are generating the XSLT report as well. Execution is complete on Firefox browser as well. Let's see the reports of execution.